We visited Bucks New University to find out how students are using VizRT tools to prepare to be the next innovators in the media industry.
I think that Viz is a really interesting software. It's very different to anything else that I've ever used and have used since. I think its capabilities of live rendering are really impressive. Since I know what it is, I've seen it used in a lot more stuff than I ever thought it was in.
First came across Viz last year when we was doing a show called The Hornet Show. We worked with Watford FC and I was the engineer for that. The show had two presenters from Watford. They came in and they gave a monthly roundup about Watford FC and how the club was performing, and my role on it was to add effects and titles on top and overlays using VizRT.
We have 6 render engines, which allows us to use up to 6 cameras. Most of the time we use 3 for the Hornet Show because it's a bit simpler, but it does give us a bit of flexibility with what we use them for. We have Viz Studio Setup for doing the tracking. We use motion analysis to do the actual camera tracking, and then we use the data with Viz. We have Viz Trio for the graphics playout, and we also use the Viz Chroma Key as well.
With this technology that's industry standard and having the likes of Troy Deeney and Igalo and their big players coming into the studio, it's great for the students' showreel. We've got students who study here and then go on to Delta Tray, CTV, Telegenic Visions, working on Match of the Day, working on Test cricket, Premiership rugby, Sky Sports football coverage as well. And we're very proud that through partnerships like this we achieved about 95% employability.
Even if we don't go into Viz, is that we've got skills in other areas and something that's quite unique to us, something that's not quite common skill amongst people our age.
Yeah.
So it definitely sets us a bit ahead.